Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 6 ways to grow your money. Whether you're looking to increase your wealth or save for the future, these tips will help you make the most out of your money. 1. Investing in stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks and bonds is a popular investment option for individuals looking to grow their money over time. Both options offer the potential for growth, but they come with different levels of risk and return. Stocks represent ownership in a company and provide the potential for high returns, but they also come with higher risk. The stock market can be volatile, and the value of your stocks can fluctuate significantly. However, if you have a long-term investment strategy and can weather the ups and downs of the market, stocks can provide significant returns over time. Bonds, on the other hand, are a lower-risk investment option. When you purchase a bond, you are essentially loaning money to a company or government entity in exchange for a fixed rate of return. While bonds typically offer lower returns than stocks, they also come with less risk. It is important to create a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks and bonds to manage risk and achieve your investment goals. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to help you create a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term financial objectives. 2. Real estate investing. Investing in real estate can be an excellent way to generate passive income and build wealth over time. Real estate investments can take many forms, including owning rental properties, investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, and house flipping. Owning rental properties is a popular real estate investment strategy. It involves purchasing a property and renting it out to tenants. Rental income can provide a steady stream of passive income, and property values can appreciate over time. Investing in REITs is another way to invest in real estate. REITs are companies that own and operate income-generating real estate properties. By investing in a REIT, you can own a portion of multiple properties and receive a share of the income they generate. House flipping involves purchasing a property, renovating it, and selling it for a profit. While house flipping can be a lucrative investment strategy, it requires significant knowledge and expertise in real estate, construction, and design. Real estate investing can be a good option for individuals who have the necessary skills and knowledge or are willing to seek professional help. It is important to conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing in any real estate opportunity. 3. Starting a business. Starting a business is an excellent way to grow your money. If you have a passion for entrepreneurship, you can turn your ideas into a profitable venture. However, starting a business requires hard work and dedication, and it can take some time before you start seeing a return on your investment. There are many factors to consider when starting a business, including the type of business, the target market, competition, and funding. It is important to create a solid business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. One of the benefits of starting a business is the potential for significant returns. Successful businesses can generate significant profits and build long-term value. However, starting a business also comes with a significant amount of risk. Many businesses fail within the first few years, and it is important to have a solid financial plan in place to manage the risk. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on your investment. This strategy can provide higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds. However, it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. When investing in peer-to-peer lending, it's important to understand the risks associated with lending money to individuals or businesses. There is a risk that the borrower may default on the loan, resulting in a loss of your investment. It's important to diversify your investments and spread your money across multiple loans to reduce the risk of a single loan defaulting. 5. High-interest savings accounts. If you're looking for a low-risk way to grow your money, high-interest savings accounts are worth considering. These accounts offer a higher rate of interest than traditional savings accounts, which means you can earn more money on your savings. The key benefit of high-interest savings accounts is that they're a low-risk option for growing your money. Unlike investing in stocks or real estate, you don't have to worry about the value of your savings account fluctuating based on market conditions. Another advantage of high-interest savings accounts is that they're a good option for short-term savings goals. If you're saving up for a down payment on a house, a vacation, or an emergency fund, a high-interest savings account can be a great place to store your money. You'll earn more interest than you would with a traditional savings account, but you'll still have easy access to your money when you need it. When choosing a high-interest savings account, it's important to compare the interest rates offered by different banks. While the interest rates for these accounts are typically higher than traditional savings accounts, they can still vary significantly between banks. It's also important to read the fine print and understand any fees or restrictions that may apply. 6. Savings and budgeting. Saving and budgeting are simple yet effective ways to grow your money over time. By living below your means and putting away money in savings, you can build wealth and achieve your financial goals. The first step in saving and budgeting is to create a budget. This involves tracking your income and expenses and determining how much you can afford to save each month. Once you've created a budget, it's important to stick to it and make savings a priority. There are several strategies you can use to save money, such as cutting back on unnecessary expenses, finding ways to reduce your bills, and setting up automatic savings transfers. It's also important to establish an emergency fund that can cover unexpected expenses without derailing your financial plans. When it comes to saving and budgeting, consistency is key. By making saving a habit and prioritizing it in your budget, you can build wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. There are many ways to grow your money, and it's essential to find the option that works best for you. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, start a business, or save for the future, these tips can help you make the most out of your money. Remember, it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to this channel.